Good morning student. Now it's time for your SST class, and today we will be doing the revision work of chapter 7, Our Clothes. We have read that India is a vast country and its climate is also different in different parts. As you all know, in different parts of India different climates is there. Some places are very cold in winter and some are very hot in summers. We wear the dresses according to the climate in the region where we live. So, the dresses that we put on, it depends upon the climate of that particular region. Popular dresses. The common and popular dress for men is shirt and trousers. So, what is the common and popular dress for the men? It is shirt and trousers. Men also wear dhoti, kurta, kurta pajama, or kurti lungi. So the other dresses that are worn by men are dhoti kurta, kurta pajama, or kurta lungi. For women, the popular dresses are sari blouse and salwar kameez. In various parts of India, sari is styled in different ways. So what are the popular dresses for women? It is sari blouse and salwar kameez. And in different ways, sari is tied in various parts of India. Special dresses. Some special dresses men wear are achkan, angrakha, churidar pajama, kurta. So some special dresses that are worn by men are achkan, angrakha, churidar pajama, kurta. For women, some special dresses are kurta ghagra, ghagra choli. In cold climate of Kashmir, men and women wear firon over other clothing to protect themselves from cloth. In cold climate of Kashmir, men and women they wear firon. Firon is worn by them because so that over the cloth over so that it protects themselves from cold. In tribal areas, the dresses are typical. Turbans. Men in some states also wear turban. Turban that means pagdi. The style of tying turban varies in various states. So in various states they tie in different turbans are tied in different ways. People wear turbans to protect their hair. Why do people wear turbans? They wear turbans to protect their hair. Men in Himachal Pradesh wear embroidered caps. And what type of turbans are worn in the Himachal Pradesh? It is worn, the caps are embroidered. Work is done on caps. Uniforms. People also wear dresses according to the work they do. Like nurses and doctors wear white clothes. You must have seen that in your school also that you wear a uniform. So wherever there is a particular place where people work, they wear uniforms. That is called uniform. Particular dress code is there for everyone in different institution. Like you must have seen doctors and nurses, they wear white clothes. The army men and the policemen have uniforms that are different from common dresses. So the army men and the policemen they have their uniforms that is different from the common dresses. People wear new clothes on festivals. So on festivals, everyone they wear most of many of them they wear new clothes. People wear new clothes on festivals. On special occasions like weddings, the dresses are different and colorful. So you when you go to one's wedding or any birthday party or any special occasion, you put on your the one of your favorite dresses, which is very much different and colorful. Women's dresses. The traditional style of dresses in India varies from male to female. This is still followed in the rural areas, though it is changing in urban areas. Many women cover their heads with a part of their sari. You must have seen many women they cover their head with the part of the sari. Women in Haryana wear odhni. Women from Punjab wear salwar kameez with a dupatta. The salwar kameez is the most common in the northwestern part of India. So what do women in Haryana wear? They wear odhni, and then women from Punjab they wear salwar kameez with the dupatta, and the salwar kameez is the most common in the northwestern part of India. Do you know? The word sari is derived from the Sanskrit word sati. The word sari is derived from the Sanskrit word sati. Sati means a strip of cloth. What do you mean by sati? Sati means a strip of cloth. There are more than so ways of draping a sari. So in different parts of India, women wear different they drape saris in different ways. The women of Rajasthan and Gujarat often wear colorful swirling skirts called lehenga, paired with a short bodice called a choli. So the women of Rajasthan and Gujarat you must have seen they wear a long skirt sort of swirling skirt, very frilled one, that is called lehenga. Along with that they wear the paired with a short bodice called a choli. They cover their heads with a bright veil called odhni. Among the unmarried women, other than salwar kameez, ghagra choli is most popular. So the unmarried women, apart from salwar kameez, they put on ghagra choli, which is very much popular. Men's dresses. Men also wear different types of dresses. The most common dress of men is trousers and shirt. So what is the most common dress of men? Trousers and shirt. The style of men's dresses also vary from state to state. So the same way the style of men it also varies from state to state. Men in Rajasthan wear churidar kurta with angarkha or achkan and churidar kurta with jacket in Gujarat. So what is the dresses of special dress of men in Rajasthan? They wear churidar kurta with angarkha or achkan and churidar kurta with jacket men wear in Gujarat. In Kerala, men wear mundu, which is called vesti in Tamil Nadu. Men in West Bengal and Assam mostly wear Dhoti kurta. Men also wear caps or turbans on their heads. Do you know? Dhoti was a word that had originated from dhuti. Dhoti was a word that had originated from the Sanskrit word dhuti. It is considered to be an attire that commands respect and dignity. So what is dhoti considered? It is considered to be an attire that commands respect and dignity. Fashion in India. Fashion in India is influenced by changing trends in the West. Owing to the growth of women empowerment and influence of Western culture, nowadays most of the teen adult girls in cities wear jeans, tops, trousers, half trousers, t-shirts, skirts, frocks, etc. So nowadays most of the teen adult girls in cities, they wear, what do they wear? They wear jeans, tops, trousers, half trousers, t-shirts, skirts and frocks, etc. Women in rural areas also wear both Indian and modern attire depending on the occasion. So according to the occasion, women, they wear their clothes. They put on their clothes. Men normally wear shirts, trousers, jeans, t-shirt. What is the common dress of men? They wear shirts, trousers, jeans and t-shirt. Clothes are made in many styles, shapes and colors. So in different clothes, accordingly, it is made in different sizes, shapes and different colors. Some are simple and plain. Others are grand and colorful. So you must have in your wardrobe, you must have a collection of both simple and grand or special dresses, colorful dresses. Some are very cheap to buy, while others are very expensive. This different materials such as cotton, wool, silk and nylon are used for making clothes. So what are the different materials that are used for making clothes? They are cotton, wool, silk and nylon. So we have finished the revision work of this chapter. Next day I will be giving you the question answer. Thank you.